Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? I'm Ned from Tech, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. Today we're checking out Popular Mechanics, January 1987. Flying Wing, the home built breakthrough. Oh my goodness, home built. Lots of home built aerial craft in Popular Mechanics. I hope they came to safe endings. Love the art. The Ghetto Blaster Devour and the batteries. Yeah, rechargeable. You need the rechargeable. Was that NiCad? Here we got Tom Cruise and the boys going over the edge. The electronic car has arrived. And this is what we check it out with. Is that an oscilloscope? All right, so 1987. They definitely had computers and cars in 87. How's it going there, Bob? Bob Vila. Sharing the wife with Bob. Something fishy this way comes. Check it out, guys. Another wood pile. I don't think I know anyone who knows how to play an analog piano anymore. Weekend Warriors, Army Reserve, be all you can be. I mean, being in the Army Reserve seems like a good hustle, a good way to get fit on accident. Sorry, I just heard a YouTuber said, you're not going to get fit on accident around here. And I'm just thinking, do you know what a farmer is? Remember back in the day when we had these furry floats? I remember in the 80s, furry floats were a big thing. I've been to things these days and nothing's... Sorry, I've been to fairs these days in the Toronto Fair. I'm just recalling old memories. We don't have we don't have this anymore. What happened to it? I think every gym bro needs a computer guy with like a television set to be like, yeah, you're doing pretty good compared to last time. I mean, that's one way to pump your bro up. It's not gay unless your balls touch. Holy frick. Yeah, if there's one thing you don't want to mess with, it's the American military. Wait. There's a calibration screw? Okay. All right. So when I was a kid, I would see things like this and try to kind of match it. Like, look at that. Is that all the same person? Look at that smile. Plus her left hand. I guess you'd be able to handle that. But man, she looks like she's going to pull something when she lands. And maybe that's part of it. Maybe that's part of why they can only do this in a magazine. I mean, in some comics, they get interesting proportions with women where they'll be showing their boobs and their ass at the same time. And you don't question it because you're just too busy enjoying the folklore. That's right, build your own plane. What could go wrong? Common nails. The nails she tells you not to worry about. And, every now and then they build something just so strange that you'll want to check it out. What the frick? Oh, yeah, pipe dreams. My dad is into the Brigham pipes. Making movies with the old... Oh, geez, Zenith made cameras, too. I love Zenith. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm really eventual. These need horses. I don't really need chucks. I have one of these. Oh, man, I had one of those. I would love to see the lights running on that thing. Snooper, these things still work. Electronic sounds. Yeah, the NFL still technically uses something like this. It's not a gun. You'll see a gentleman holding a big dome. It's really something. I love these things. Huge profit from home sale stuff. Check out all of this awesome, great stuff that you can sell. A men's LCD quartz watch for $1.20. You could sell it for more. Hey, check it out, Joe Kale and me some Brokeback Mountain friends. That's awesome. And that's it from me, folks. Ned from Tech, but thanks for joining me. Have a good time. Take care of each other, will you?